Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change theme on Skype app on an Android device. Well, changing the theme allows you to personalize your Skype experience according to your taste, whether you prefer a light theme for a clean look or a dark theme for reduced eye strain in low light environments. Having option to customize the appearance can enhance your overall user experience. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Skype app on your device. Okay, after that enter to your profile page and then click settings menu here. Well, so now tap on appearance option. After that, select the color you like it the most. And if you want to activate dark theme, select this option. Next, you can set the accessible modes here. You have to select the option between high contrast light or high contrast dark. If so, click apply here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change theme on Skype app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.